Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create a dark brown coloring in CapCut. So first, you just need to add the clips that you want to edit, and then go to filter, find the mono category, and then first select the BW1 filter to around 30, like this. Click on a check icon and then add another filter. Still on the mono category, select the brown filter to around 70. Click on a check icon and now go to adjust, and in here set the brightness into 5, contrast 10, exposure 15, sharpen 100. Click on the highlight and increase it to 10, shadow -5. Lastly, add some vignette effect to around 5. Click on a check icon and you are done, and this will be the result. Okay, so if you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment. Click on the thanks, and that's it for me today. See you guys next time.